Hello students, today we shall see a new topic. So here are a group of buttons. They are of different colors, different shapes and different sizes. But is it difficult for us to take only red and green from this mixture of buttons? Yes, it is very difficult, right? Because it is not organized or they are not segregated. So, if you are going to arrange those buttons based on their colors and we have kept it in different boxes, then it will be very easy for us to take individual buttons for sewing clothes. So these kind of segregation or separation or grouping of these buttons is called a classification. So these buttons are grouped according to their colors. Likewise, in the biological world or the living world, there are so many living organisms. So it is very difficult for us to identify and study about each and every organisms. So what scientists did was to group these organisms based on similarities, and this grouping system make them easier for the scientists to study and also identify these organisms. So in our day-to-day life we group many informations. Like in case of pets, we can group them as cats, dogs, etc. So cats and dogs can also be grouped into different types. In case of motor vehicle, we group them into passenger cars, motorcycle, commercial vehicles, etc. So commercial vehicles can also be classified or grouped as whether bus, taxi or truck. So this system of grouping something based on similar characteristics is called classification. So classification is very much needed in the living world. So why classify organisms? Yes, we classify organisms to organize the diversity and also to help us know or identify what we are talking about. So this system of classification was actually put forward by the scientist called Carl Linnaeus. So this is Carl Linnaeus. So he came forward with the scientific system of classification. So the scientific system of classifying organism is termed as taxonomy. So taxonomy is the science of classifying organism. So what is classifying? So classify means to arrange according to similarities or differences. So the scientific process of classifying is called taxonomy. What is taxonomy? So taxonomy is the scientific study of how living things are classified. So how is taxonomy useful? So once an organism is classified, you can identify them and study about them. So according to Linnaeus, he basically classified living organisms into 5 kingdoms. Kingdoms are broader level of classification. So these 5 levels are Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. So Kingdom Moneria you can see these examples. Bacteria belong to Monera. Amoeba, Euglena, Parameciums belong to Protista. Mushrooms belong to fungi. All the plants belong to Plantae, and all the animals belong to Animalia. And Linnaeus also have a hierarchy of classification. So each organisms can be classified into different hierarchical level. The broader hierarchy is kingdom, then phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So several species constitute genus, several genus constitute family, likewise several family constitute order, then several orders constitute a class, then several classes constitute a phylum, and several phylum constitutes a kingdom. So this is the Linnaean system of classification.